Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive on a HP Probook 4440s. I had one of my subscribers ask me to do this, so let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is flip it over and remove the battery. Okay, so you push these tabs, that removes the bottom, how easy that comes off. Now, just to show you, here's the hard drive. Here's your memory, so if you did want to add more memory or increase your memory. That's your wireless card right there. So if that goes, that's how easily that is to replace. There's 4 screws that hold the hard drive in. We're going to remove those. Okay, now your hard drive comes out and you can see it's got 2 little things here, 4 screws holding each of those in. That's just the little bracket where these screws come in. You'll take those out. Once you get this put back onto the new drive, you're going to reverse the process. You'll notice the SATA drive has a small and a big plug. And down here is the smaller big. It can only go in one way, so just make sure you match the brackets when you put it back on. And you want to put the back side in first. Push it down, slide it over. There's a little tab here you can use. Once that's in, then you just put the screws back in. Once that's back secure, take your bottom piece and just carefully make sure everything's seated down and it snaps in. Put your battery back in, and now you're ready to reload this machine or clone the hard drive, however you're going to do it on that. And you're done. Hi, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was very simple, but sometimes when you just don't know how to do something, it makes it seem a lot harder. So I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time.